Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss about the deletion operation in case of a circular single linked list. In my previous video I have discussed about how to perform the insertion operation on a circular single linked list. Here also we'll be discussing two different functions. The first one to how to perform the deletion operation at the beginning of the circular single linked list, as well as one more function would be how to perform the deletion operation at the end of the circular single linked list. Note that for performing the insertion of the deletion operation in case of a circular single linked list, the reference of my circular single linked list was a variable by name last, which was holding the address of the last node. Now, as we know that in case of a circular single linked list, if last is there, then it implies that least is there. If last is not there, then least is not there. So, in the deletion operation, my first step would be I am going to check whether least is there or not. If least is not there, I can't perform the deletion operation. So, what I will be doing is that I will be starting with the delete begin function, wherein my objective is to delete the node at the beginning of the list. Return type of the function as node. Argument to function is the reference of my circular single linked list, which I had kept it as last. So first step would be, if last is equal to null. If least is not there, I can't perform the display. I can't perform the deletion operation. Printf list is empty. Return null or return last, both are fine. This is the first case. Second case, I am going to check if list is having only one node. If my circular list is having only one node, then last of address will be pointing to last. So, if last of address is equal to last, now what I will be doing is I need to deallocate memory. I need to just directly printf node deleted is %d, which is nothing but last of data. Last of data. Deallocate the memory. Free of last, return null. Now these are the two cases. First case, I am checking whether list is empty, then I can't perform the deletion operation. If list is not empty, I am going to check whether list is having only one node. Rather than having this statement, you can directly write the code for deleting the node at the front end, but it is always better, so that you will get a visualization whether list is having one node or whether list is having no node or list is having more than one node. Now in this case, my list would be something like this. List is having only one node. I want to delete this node. So I am checking if last of address is equal to last. Last of address, if it is pointing to last, then I have to delete this node. So printf node deleted is last of data. I am printing 10. I am deallocating the memory. So free last, and the list does not exist after deletion. So I am returning null. So if this is not the case, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to assume that my list is having list looks something like this. This is my list, wherein 10, 20, 30. What I am supposed to do? I am supposed to delete the node at the beginning of the list. That means I need to delete 10. Delete 10. Now how to perform this? Declare a variable temp. Let me make a temp to hold the address of the first node. Anyway, the address of the first node can be obtained with the address of the last node. So Now what I have done, first step is temp is equal to last of address. Now what I am supposed to do, I know that the node to be deleted is a temp. Before deleting temp, make sure that last of address, instead of pointing to temp, now it should point to the second node. Second node address is there in temp of address. So last of address is equal to temp of address. Now free temp, maybe before freeing temp, let me print free temp. Node deleted is %d, which is nothing but temp of data. Free temp, return the address of the last node. Close the function and deallocating it. This should be fine. This is about how to perform the deletion operation in case of a circular single linked list from the beginning. Now I think we can go for the next function wherein we are deleting, wherein we need to delete a node at the end of the list in a circular single linked list. Node delete end, node last. Something like a node, may use a variable by name current, because we need to traverse, assume that this is my last. My objective is to delete this last node. Anyway, I know the address of the last node, I can directly delete, but problem is if I delete this last node, my reference of my circular single linked list would be this last but one node. But problem is I don't know the address of this last but one node. So what we do, first thing is if last is equal to null, printf list empty, return null. The second case would be if last of address is equal to last, printf node deleted is %d, last of data, free last, return null. The same thing, we have used the same thing even in case of the earlier deletion function. Now this is not true. Assume that there is a circular single linked list with more than one node. Now what I can do is I can make current to hold the address of the first node. So first node address is there in last of address. So current is equal to last of address. Now traverse current from first node to last but one node. While current of address not equal to last. Current is equal to current of address. Let's see what happens. Current of address is not last. Change the reference of current. Current of address is not last. Change the current. Current of address is last. Stop here. So I got the reference of last but one node. Now before deleting the last node, what you can do, current of address is pointing to last. Make current of address pointing to first node. First node address is there in last of address, something like this. So current of address is equal to last of address. Now you can directly delete the last node. Printf node deleted is %t, that is last of data. Free last means you have deallocated the memory for this. Now this is gone. So what is left out? Okay, now you should return the address of the last node after deleting. Which is your last node? It is nothing but your current. Return current. Close the function. Hope this should be fine. This is about how to perform the deletion operation in case of a circular single linked list. Quickly, what we can do is we can even discuss about how to display the content of a list. Void display. Argument to the function is the reference of your list, that is node last. If last is equal to null, printf list is empty, else open this else, printf list content are. Now what you do, I need to display the content of the list from the beginning. So declare a variable called temp. Make temp to hold the address of the first node. First node address is there in last of address. Now what you can do, while temp not equal to last, printf %d a tab space last of, sorry, not last, okay, temp of data, change the reference of temp to the next node, temp is equal to temp of address. Now as our condition is a temp not equal to last, it will not print the content of the last node. So have an additional printf here, printf %d tab space temp of data. This should be fine. Close the else part, close the function. This is about the function to display the content of a circular single linked list. Hope this is clear. Thank you.